Ness-ana TV. Welcome to the class. Are you ready to learn? Our topic for today is animals and their baby, or animals and their young ones. Can you repeat after me? Animals and their young ones. Very good. What you can call the young one or the baby of an animal. What you can call the baby or young one of an animal. Very good. Number one is a pig. Can you spell pig with me? P-I-G, pig. Again, P-I-G, pig. And the baby or young one of a pig is called Piglet. Can you repeat after me? The baby or young one of a pig is called Piglet. Very good. The next one is goat. Can you spell goat with me? G-O-A-T, goat. Again, G-O-A-T, goat. And the baby or young one of a goat is called kid. Can you say that again? The baby or young one of a goat is called kid. Next one is dog. Again, dog. Can you spell dog with me? D-O-G, dog. Again, D-O-G, dog. The baby or young one of a dog is called puppy. The next one is cow. Can you say that? Cow. Can you spell cow with me? C-O-W, cow. And the baby or young one of a cow is called calf. Again, calf. The next one is cat. Can you spell cat with me? C-A-T, cat. Again, C-A-T, cat. And the baby or young one of a cat is called kitten. Again, the baby or young one of a cat is called a kitten. The next one is chicken. Can you say that again? Chicken. And the baby or young one of a chicken is called a chick. Again, chick. The baby or young one of a chicken is called what? Very good. Thumbs up for you. The next one is horse. Again, horse. Can you spell horse with me? H-O-R-S-E, horse. Again, and the baby or young one of a horse is called a foal. Again, foal. The next one and the last is the Lion King, the king of the jungle. Can you spell lion with me? L-I-O-N, lion. Again, L-I-O-N, lion. And the baby or young one of a lion is called a cub. Again, a cub. Now we'll take it again for the last time. A baby pig is called Piglet. A baby goat is called Kid. Again, Kid. Thumbs up for you. The next one is dog. A baby dog is called puppy. The next one, cow. A baby cow is called a calf. The next one, cat. A baby cat is called a kitten. Again, a kitten. The next one, chicken. A baby chicken or the young one of a chicken is called a chick. The next one, horse. A baby horse is called a foal. The next one, lion. A baby lion is called a cub. That will be the end of today's class. I hope you enjoyed yourself, and I hope most importantly that you've learned.